Hi everyone. Yesterday we discussed about second year mathematics A first chapter complex numbers. In your IP grading is 2 plus 2 plus 4 means 2 marks questions, 1 4 marks question. Already you know the definition of complex number. The order pair of two real numbers is called a complex number. Otherwise, if z is equal to a plus ib form, where I square is equal to minus 1 is called a complex number. Next one, how to add the z1 plus z2, z1 minus z2, z1 into z2 and z1 by z2. Already you know another definition is a conjugate. If z is equal to a plus ib is a complex number, then its z bar is a minus ib. And also, what is the ideal inverse of complex number? If z is equal to a plus ib is a complex number, then its additive inverse is minus z. Minus z means minus of a plus ib means minus a minus ib. Already we know 1 by z also. 1 by z means multiplicative inverse of z. Now we discuss first exercise problems. Test 2 problems. First problem, z1 is equal to z1 is equal to 2 comma minus 1 and z2 is equal to 6 comma 3 6 comma 3. Then find z1 minus z. What is given? It's in your test 2 problems here. z1 is equal to 2 comma minus 1. z1 can be written as 2 comma minus 1 is 2 minus n. First one is a real part, second one is imaginary part. Already we know. What is the z2? z2 is equal to 6 comma 3 is given, means here 6 plus 3. Any doubt? First one is a real part, second one is imaginary. Already we know a comma b can be written as, already yesterday we discussed, a comma b can be written as a plus ib. First one is a real part, second one is imaginary part. A comma b can be written as a plus ib form. Similarly, 6 comma 3 means 6 plus 3y. What you want? This all wanted. z1 minus z2. z1 minus z2. z1 minus z2 means what is z1 value? 2 minus I. Minus of z2 means 3, 6 plus 3i. Here 2 minus I minus 6 minus 3i. Any doubt here? 2 minus I as it is minus 6 minus 3. What is the real part? Real part means without I values. Without I means here 2 here minus 6 minus 4 minus I minus 3i minus 4i. Real part is minus 4. Imaginary part is also minus 4. It can be written as minus 4 comma minus 4 is z1 minus z2. The second problem. What is second problem? Second problem is z1 is equal to 3 comma 5. z1 is equal to 3 comma 5 and z2 is equal to 2 comma 6. z2 is equal to 2 comma 6. Then find z1 into z2. Then find z1 into z2. What is given? Is given z1 is given, z2 is given. Then find z1 into z2. Indirectly, z1 can be written as 3 comma 5. 3 comma 5 can be written as 3 plus 5. Already we know first one is a real part, second one is imaginary part. Next one, z2. z2 is equal to what is given? 2 comma 6 is given. 2 comma 6 can be written as 2 plus 6i. What you want? You want z1 into z2. First complex number into second complex number. They give two complex numbers. First one and second one. They ask question z1 into z2. First one into second one. First one can be converted into 3 comma 5 can convert into the 3 plus 5i. Similarly, 2 comma 6 can be converted into the 2 plus 6i. What you want? You want z1 into z1. First one into second one. Okay, what is first one here? 3 plus 5i into second one is 2 plus 6i. To multiply the 2 into 3 6, 3 into 6 89, 5 into 5i into 2 10i, 5i into 6i 30i square. Once again I will repeat. 3 into 2 6, 3 6 is 18, 5 2 is 10, 5 into 6 30 I into I square. Already we know what is the I square value. I square value is -1. Why? Because if z is equal to a plus I is a complex number, comma I square is equal to -1. Whereas put I square equal to -1 here. 6 plus 89 plus 10i 28i minus 30. What is the real part here? Real part is -24 plus 28i. You can written as -24 comma 28 is the solution of Z1 into Z2. What is the solution of Z1 Z2 is -24 comma 28. One side I will leave here. First one I give Z1 is equal to 2 comma -1. 2 comma -1 can be written as 2 minus I. Z2 is equal to 6 comma 3 is given. It can be written as 6 plus 3i. What do you want? Z1 minus Z1. First one minus second one. First one form is 2 minus I. Second one form is 6 plus 3i. First one minus second one means first one minus second one means -6 minus 3i. 2 minus 6 is equal to -4. Minus I minus 3 is equal to -4. You can written as -4 comma -4. The real part is -4 and imaginary part also -4 only. Here Z1 is equal to 3 comma 5. 3 comma 5 can be written as 3 plus 5i. Z2 is equal to 2 plus 6i. What do you want? Z1 into Z2. First complex number into second complex number is only general multiplication. What we get? We get is 30i square. I square value is -1. Remember, I square value always -1. In place of I square is equal, we can substitute -1 only. So 6 18i plus 10i is equal to 28i. I square value -1, we get -30. Then -24 plus 28i. What is the real part? Real part is -24 and imaginary part is 28. Next third problem. Write the ideal inverse of write the ideal inverse of the following complex numbers. Right? Third problem. Write the additive inverse of a d d I t I b d additive inverse of write the ideal inverse of following complex numbers. Following complex numbers. Here means complex numbers. First problem is here √3 comma 5. Second one -6 comma 5 plus 10 comma -4. Third one is, what is third one? Third one is 2 comma 1 into -4 comma 6. Okay, once again I will repeat. Write the ideal inverse of the complex number. What you want? You want ideal inverse. Already we know formula. Suppose here z is equal to a plus ib is a complex number. Then the ideal inverse is minus z. Minus z means minus of a plus ib. That is equal to minus a minus ib. Already we know. If z is a complex number, that is a plus ib, then it's ideal inverse. Ideal inverse means plus z is given, we take minus z. Suppose he give minus z, we take plus z only. Z is equal to a plus ib is a complex number. Then its conjugate is z bar. But what you want? You asking here additive inverse. What is additive inverse? If z is equal to a plus ib, then its additive inverse is minus z, minus of total complex number. First one solution. First problem solution is what is given? Given that √3 comma 5. It can be written as √3 plus 5i. Any doubts? What do you want? You want additive inverse of. Suppose z1, we take z. Z is equal to √3 plus I. Additive inverse of z is minus z. What will get? Z is equal to √3 plus 5i minus z means minus of root 3 plus 5a, that is equal minus root 3 comma minus 5a. You can written as minus root 3 comma minus 5. Minus root 3 comma minus 5 is the answer. Once I will repeat, they give root 3 plus 5. Root 3 plus 5a. Ideal inverse means total multiplied to minus. So minus root 3 minus root 5. Answer question directly minus root 3 minus 5. But here they give minus 6 comma 5 and 10 comma minus 4. It can be written as, first of all, minus 6 plus 5a. Need out second one here, 10 minus 4a. Need out this one also it's called the z. Means why, because each and every complex number is denoted by only z or capital C. But always we take z only. Minus 6 comma 5 means minus 6 plus 5a. 10 comma minus 4 means 10 minus 4a. What is the real part here? Real part is 4 minus 6 plus 10 is equal to 4. 5i minus 4i is equal to minus I. What do you want? You want additive inverse of z is minus z. Minus of total, minus of 4 minus I is equal to minus 4 plus I. You can written as minus 4 comma 1 only. Why? Because I before value only 1. Here minus 4. Here what is the 1 means here 1 only. Once again, first 1 plus second 1. Indirectly minus 6 plus 5i. Here 4 minus 10 minus 4i. What is the real part? Real part is 4. Imaginary part is minus I. What you want? You want ideal inverse. Ideal inverse means just symbols are changed. Minus 4 plus I. Next one, last one, third problem. What is third problem here? Third problem is z is equal to, you can written as 2 plus I into minus 4 plus 6I. Any doubt? First complex number and second complex number. 2 comma 1 means 2 plus I into minus 4 comma 6 means minus 4 plus 6I. Multiply here, 2 into minus 4 minus 8. 2 into 6i 12i. Next minus 4i plus 6i square. What you will get here? Minus 8 plus 12i minus 4i. Already we know what is the I square value. I square value is minus 1. So here minus, why? Because I square is equal to minus 1. In place of I square is equal to minus 1, you get here minus 6. What is the real part? Real part is minus 8 to minus 6 is minus 14. 12i minus 4i, that is equal plus 8i. What do you want? Additive inverse of z. Ai means additive inverse of z is minus z. So minus of z value minus 14 plus 8i. It can be written as 14 minus 8i. So 14 comma minus 8 is the ideal inverse of the above complex numbers. Simple. Ideal inverse means complex number multiplied with minus 1. Here a comma b means minus a comma minus b. Minus a comma plus is given. Here a comma b only. Next fourth problem. The second bit first problem. Exercise 1a. Complex number Telugu according to exercise 1a. Second bit first problem. Second bit first problem. Z1 is equal, if Z1 is equal, second bit first problem, Z1 is equal 6 comma 3, Z2 is equal 2 comma minus 1, find Z1 by Z2. Find Z1 by Z2. What do you want? You want Z1 by Z2. First of all, what is Z1? Z1 is equal 6 plus 3. Any doubt? And Z2 is equal 2 minus I. Okay? 6 comma 3 means 6 plus 3 8. 2 comma minus 1 means 2 minus I. What do you want? Z1 by Z2. So 6 plus 3i by 2 minus I. In a complex number, numerator by denominator is there. We have to raise addition only denominator. We have to raise addition denominator. It can be written as 6 plus 3i by 2 minus I into 2 plus I by 2 plus I. Read out. Here denominator value is 2 minus I. So multiply 2 plus I by 2 plus I. Here 6 into 2 12 plus 6i again 6i plus 3i square. Once I will repeat here 6 into 3 6 into 2 12 6 into I 6i 3i into 2 6i 3i into I square by denominator a minus b into a plus b. A minus b into a plus b form is a square minus b square. A square value is 2 square, b square value is I square. What is I square value? I square value already we know minus 1. So 12 plus 6i plus 6i 12i. I square value is minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by because I square value is minus 1. Again we get 12 minus 3 is equal to 9 plus 12i by 3. Separate here. What is the real part here? 9 by 3. Imaginary part is 12 by 3. That is equal to 3 comma 4 are the Z1 by Z2 coordinate values. Real part is 3 and imaginary part is 4. Wait, 2 square value is 4 here. 2 square value is 4. What will get here? 5. So 9 by 5 by 12 by 5. 9 by 5 by 12 by 5. What is the real part? Real part is 9 by 5. Imaginary part is 12 by 5. Now second problem. Second problem. Second problem is if Z is equal to 2 marks important. Second problem. Core A double stars. 2 stars means 2 marks important. 4 stars 4 marks important. 7 stars 7 marks important. But here 2 marks problem. If Z is equal to cos theta comma sin theta. If Z is equal to cos theta comma sin theta, find Z minus 1 by Z. Once again, what is Z value? Cos theta comma sin theta. What you want? You want find the Z minus 1 by Z. Solution is first of all find the Z. Z is equal cos theta comma sin theta. It can be written as Z is equal cos theta plus I sin theta. Any doubts? Next one, I want 1 by Z. 1 by cos theta plus I sin theta. Why? Because Z is equal, we get Z is equal cos theta plus I sin theta. Next one I want 1 by Z. 1 by Z means 1 by total value. Give it 9. 1 by 1 plus 1 by cos theta plus I sin theta with rationalization with cos theta minus I sin theta by cos theta minus I sin theta. Any doubt? Numerator value is 1, denominator value is cos theta plus I sin theta. So rationalization with a denominator. Denominator means there is a plus, we take a minus. So 1 in total value cos theta minus I sin theta. Denominator value a plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square. A square value is a cos square theta. B square value is I square sin square theta. But already we know what is I square value. I square value is minus 1. Indirectly, what you will get? Cos theta minus I sin theta by cos square theta plus sin square theta. Cos square theta plus sin square theta value is already you know in the lower classes. So what we get here? This value is 1. So cos theta minus I sin theta. Z Z is equal what you will get cos theta plus I sin theta. 1 by Z is equal cos theta minus I sin theta. What you want? You want Z minus 1 by Z. First one minus second one. What is the first one? First one is cos theta plus I sin theta minus second one is cos theta minus I sin theta. So here cos theta plus I sin theta minus cos theta plus I sin theta. Cos theta get cancel. Remaining part is 2I sin theta. It can be written as 0 plus I into 2 sin theta. Any doubts? In sometime ask next question. What is the real part value? Real part value is 0. Why? Because 0 comma 2 sin theta is the Z minus 1 by Z coordinate form. Next, third problem is also 2 marks important. Write a multiplicative inverse of the. Write multiplicative inverse of the. Third problem. Write the multiplicative inverse of the following complex numbers. Third problem, 2 marks important. Write the multiplicative inverse of following complex numbers. First problem is 3 comma 4. Second problem is sin theta comma cos theta. Third problem 7 comma 24. Fourth one minus 2 comma 1. All you know formula, the multiplicative inverse of. Yesterday we discussed multiplicative inverse of Z is equal to A plus IB is A by A square plus B square comma minus B by A square plus B square. Formula 1 mark. What is the formula? If Z is the formula of Z is equal to A plus IB is, what is multiplicative inverse? Multiplicative inverse formula is, if Z is equal to A plus IB, then its multiplicative inverse. Then multiplicative inverse is A by A square plus B square minus